Hey guys, this is MBF here, Grim Reaper. I have some sneak peek opening packs to open. And two OTS packs. So here is the promo code we got, Magical Cavalry. I won't never use that code. So let's start off with the OTS packs. Other one? Oh, I messed up. Infrared, and that card. Uh, 70 Cross, Offerings of Doom, and second piece of crap. Okay, now let's go with the sneak peek. I'm personally looking for these cards. Doing lights. We have Spirit of the Wind, of the Fall Wind. Tuner's High. A Tiger, and some other cards. Super Draco Overload, something like that. I heard that this card's gonna be good for Fire Kings, but I probably won't ever use that deck. Vulture, Bug, this thing, rare Unicorn, and a super digital bug, Binocular bus thing, and Blackwing Decay, and a Gigia, and a Trap card. And also, it might stop at 5 minutes, but I don't know yet. Red Raptor, rare Hyperphage, and a Red Eyes Toon Dragon.
It's a badass Toon Dragon.
Yeah. Black Light Sheep. I mean, Blue Light Sheep. Fire Flux. And rare is a Blue Light Cat Dancer. Ultra rare is a Electro Pendulum, the Draco Overload. Spirit of the Fall Wind, Cosmo Lane Walker, Red Raptor again, Cosmo shit, rare is a Thunder King, the Lightning Strike Kaiju, and an ultra rare Unwavering Bond. Rare is a Tenemite Tay, I don't know what it is. Digital Bug. Wow. Who knew that card would ever be out again? We got a Carrot Guy, Wolf, Blue Light Blue Cat, and a Super Assault Blackwing, which I actually need that one. Black Sheep, Infinite Cards, Red Raptor. Carrot Guy again. Yeah. Cat Dancer. and Super Cosmo Security Camp. Guys, I have a friend here at the locals doing a sneak peek of Shining Victories.
Alright, let's get started. Mainly looking for the Raid Raptors, Scared Lion, this over, the Easy Kiss. Oh, the Raid Raptor? Ooh!
Oh, nice.
Yeah! That will give me something.
Yes, it will.
Alright.
That card's so sexy.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good.
Another Blackwing.
Nice.
Go for that. Ooh, I needed that. Oh my god. Look
Oh,
at that.
wow. What's that? Stardust? Is that Ultra?
Star Divine Dragon.
Dude, I need that card too.
Ooh, that looks great.
So I buy 2 sets and get absolutely shit. you buy 1, you already get like OP stuff.
Yep.
Oh, everybody wants those. Oh, yeah.
And then Cosmo Landwalker.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Well, that's not bad for all these polls. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is MEF Grim. We'll be here doing another sneak peek opening. But I might just, add a video on that video. So we one video. But so I got 3 more packs. I mean, 3 more sets of sneak peek. Oh, we got another carrot guy. And for the rare, we get a full mage and a priestess eyes, which I'm guessing someone now wants it. We got a sheep. Got all my stuff I need. Just looking for some Limit Light fusion monsters, hollow ones, super ones in the ultra. I got a digital bug. I should put these right here.
Oh, I need 7, but can I get me another one?
We got some more cards here, some more crap, some more good stuff. Visual tag, this one is actually good, and I actually traded my bond just now, so I got another one. Nice. And we got a bloom thing, and then a dancer. Sweet. That's gonna be useful.
What does that even do?
OTKs. This one here, the dancer can hit 2 times in 1 turn with 7,000 damage each time. We got a thing here. Another falcon. Nice. It's already probably gone now. You want it? He wants it. I want it.
$5 super.
The kaiju flies. So Raid Raptor, Lunar Light, Raid Raptor, Speed Roller Code, and then Walker. That's most Star Wars cards. Vision tag. Preparation rights.
Oh, not yet. Me too. I don't know.
Wait, what you looking for?
I did a bug.
I got a book
Carrot guy.
and
That thing, and a super rare Blackwing. Which I already got one of those now.
You pulled one.
We got a
Right, no, I didn't.
mausoleum of the white and a counter call. I don't know
Actually, if I'll be wanting to trade for that too.
I don't know what the hell that does.
I don't know what that is.
It's to call down your sheep from above. I don't know. It sounds good though, right?
If you control a beast, twin beast, one of those three, you can special summon from your extra deck one of those.
Magical cavalry.
You pulled it.
Dancer.
Oh,
Sweet, that's gonna be nice for the deck. And we got some more packs here. We got 5 packs left, guys. And if it stops, just hit it again. Blue cat, and another Blackwing card. Spot, Carrot Guy, F-Mage thing, and a Dragon Spirit of white. Nobody watched that card.
How much are they?
we got 10 seconds.
$40.
I'm gonna pause and.
Okay. We got 3 packs left, and we got some more cards here. Mausoleum, and then another Star Wars card. Blade Raptor, Bug, something, F-Mage, and High Tuner's High. Speedball code, and then another crap code. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we're gonna do another sneak peek. Got my promo code. Got some cat dances and some panther dances here. I don't need that. Got some more stuff and a mausoleum and a Blackwing code. I would got one of those, 2 of those actually. Who needs more of those? Not me.
Tip.
Here's my panther dancer in here. Oh, my Leo dancer. Oh, never mind. It's a bug. Why do I always get doubles that I don't even need of?
Hey, just helping me.
Well, you already got 3 over there.
Yeah.
This is it, guys. This is it. This has the ultimate card in here. The card that's worth like $100, which there's none in here though.
Double Spirit Dragon, let's go.
A lion.
When Midwest
Lion
gets on,
card.
not sneak peek but sale, he has 35 there.
Okay, and then this pack is gonna be the bomb. And
What?
got a rare Phoenix and a piece of crap.
Hey, let's go for the last pack.
Still hard though. Here we go.
Put them in there. I just put these out.
You got a dice lobs. Eyes of blue. Gilgy Unchanged. Why is this called Getting More Support? Unicorn and Tuner's High. So that was crap. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.